Cosmic Portal today, November 11th. The energies of this powerful portal are already being felt. Today, on November 11th, we will experience a great energetic opening that will enhance the path of ascension. As we know, a portal is a universal connection with flows of energy that bring greater unity to those with the capacity to feel it. These are days when the earthly and ethereal worlds merge, allowing a greater exchange of information and data with our consciousness, increasing perception and creativity. This portal is an energetic alignment that acts as a direct doorway to higher dimensions of consciousness. The energies of this portal invite us to reconnect with our divine essence and with the purpose of our soul. This 1111 portal opens a direct channel to receive pure light energies, energies that expand consciousness and awaken our intuitive abilities. This is a moment of activation and reconnection, with a frequency of unity and unconditional love manifests with greater intensity. 1111 creates a unique and powerful vibration. It is interpreted as a sign that the universe is aligning situations and events to bring about significant changes in a person's life. It's a reminder of the importance of paying attention to synchronicities and following intuition, as this day may mark the beginning of a new spiritual chapter. This is a spiritual day when our connection with beings of light, spiritual guides, angels, and cosmic energy strengthens. The 1111 portal is also associated with conscious manifestation. It's an ideal day to set clear and positive intentions. During this portal, let us focus on healing, on the activation of spiritual DNA, and on our role as guardians and protectors of the earth. It's a great day for meditation and introspection, a time to connect with the heart and listen to inner wisdom, to visualize the reality you wish to manifest. Contact with nature, thoughts of love, gratitude, and peace during this time will be a powerful push towards manifesting a more harmonious earth. The 1111 portal is a cosmic gift for all who wish to advance toward a new 5D reality based on love and compassion. Beloved brothers and sisters, believing in the divine is now a conscious decision that allows us to escape from rigid or limiting thoughts and beliefs. Have absolute faith in the infinite possibilities that are coming to you. Prayer. Universe, divine source of love and blessings, I recognize the power that resides within me, and I align myself with the energies of this powerful, sacred cosmic portal November 11th, in connection with my higher self. Today, I allow myself to manifest my purest desires, guided with wisdom and compassion by my higher self, my guide of light and wisdom on my path. Today, I open my heart to receive your love, understanding, and clarity. I recognize your presence within me. Today, I open a space of purity within me, being a clear and open channel through which I may receive your messages of peace and wisdom. I am grateful for the love flowing in my life. My path to ascension is filled with peace and joy. And so it is, and so it shall be. Feel how each word anchors itself in your heart, illuminating your path toward a future full of possibilities. This portal gives us the opportunity to establish new intentions and affirmations aligned with our true self. Let us be aware that we are contributing to the elevation of all humanity and the earth. If you wish, you can visualize the light you want to radiate and the transformation you want to see in the world. Light, love, and my best wishes of well-being to everyone with the energies of this cosmic and sacred event. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light in service to GIA. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your guiding light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.